If you need to cancel a pending transfer on WordPress.com, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your WordPress.com account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the pending transfer. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. This scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer section. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled pending transfers or transfers. This area will display any ongoing transfer requests that you have initiated. Step 4. Select the transfer to cancel. Locate the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Click on it to view more details about the transfer, including the status and any relevant information. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for an option to cancel transfer or withdraw transfer request. Click this option and confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the cancellation. After completing these steps, the pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to WordPress.com support for further assistance.